Alright, Schwab, all yours.
61.
16.
Alright, you got all the information I have sent to you. 1037 southbound 71. Current to the parking complexes here in Greenland. I've got Greenland and CID. Coming back out to 71. Northbound.
Where did they run from?
Traffic's medium line, northbound 71.
Hey. What?
Shit. TBI rollover 1016.
Hey.
Hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands! Show me your fucking hands! Now! On the ground! On it! On it! Get out! On the ground! Get the fuck out of the window! You got him? Hey, go grab him real quick. Go put handcuffs on him. Who else is in the car besides you two?
We can't about this. Why is this happening? Why is this happening, sir? I didn't want you to do that.
Get off.
I can't.
Get off.
I'm trying, sir.
Now get out on it.
Didn't do this,
On
sir.
the ground.
Yes, sir, I didn't do anything.
Who else is in the car?
Sir, I didn't do anything, I promise.
Is there anybody else in it?
I'm down. I ain't done shit.
You move and I'm gonna pull your fucking head off.
Yes, sir. I didn't do that.
Put your hands behind your back, right fucking
Yes, sir, I didn't do that, though.
You just keep your fucking hands right
Put
there.
that seat up.
Yes, sir, I will.
Put that seat up.
Is everybody in there?
Yeah, girl.
Oh, God, sir, I'm hurting. Help me. Please, sir, take me.
You got an ambulance around. We're fine.
Whenever you're ready, we'll get her out.
Do we have both of them?
Yeah, we gotta go over here to her.
16, 17.
For me, okay? Put your hands right up here for me.
Get out. Come on. It's either you get out or I drag you out. Get out.
I'm 10-4, start 10 letters from my car and this truck.
Wanna roll over? Stand up over
Get out of the car.
I'm trying.
Let's go. Step out of the car, man. Okay, well, we're going to handle that, but we're going to get you secured first, okay? Put your hands behind your back. You want to sleep or pass it? No, you want to sleep. Bullshit. Let's go. We're going to sit down.
I'm 10-4, you got 3-10-15, and as advised, I need a 10-11 for this truck and a 10-11 for my car.
Yes, we're copy.
Hey, Schwab.
Yeah,
Where you at?
We're on unit 1064.
up here, I guess.
What's your cross street? Because we're looking for you, bub.
Oh, we're north of the airport, or just right at the airport on 71.
He said he's right at the airport on 71. I thought I heard him saying they're going south.
Oh, y'all messed that up? Oh, my word.
Yep.
Okay. All right, I'll forgive you.
All right. We'll be there in a jiffy.
All right, bye.
Bye.